Hello, my wonderful people. It's your favorite girl, JoJo's Cuisine. Today, I want to show you the easiest way to prepare bean soup, aka Gbegiri soup. Follow me to my kitchen.
Welcome to my kitchen once again. I don't wash my hands off camera. To prepare this Gbegiri soup, you go need beans. You fit use any beans of your choice, be it the brown beans or the white beans, but for today I say make I use this white beans take teach una. To wash these beans, you no need to go through the hard method of washing the beans. You go just pour the beans inside blender, add water, make the thing blend small, comot am, you go wash am. When you don wash the beans finish, you go pour your beans inside pot, add onion, put water wey you know say go fit done the beans. You go need to cook the beans well make the thing soft. Mind you, this Gbegiri na a type of soup wey the Yoruba people dey eat. You fit eat the Gbegiri like that with your swallow, or you fit pair the Gbegiri soup with ewedu and stew. Anyhow wey you want to eat am, the choice is yours. For here, I say make I go check the beans if the beans don done. You see the texture of these beans, so na like this e suppose be when you don cook your beans well finish. Instead of the traditional method of using that broom wey Yoruba people dey call ijabe to take do the Gbegiri soup, na the easiest way to take prepare am be this. You go pour your cooked beans inside your blender, add crayfish inside, although that crayfish aspect dey optional. If you like, you add; if you no like, you leave am. So you go cover the blend, you go blend the beans well blend am make be say no seed dey inside. When you don blend the beans finish, you go pour am inside your pot back, make the thing cook. When you don pour am finish, you see say the thing thick, you go add small water. When you don add water, you add your seasoning cubes, you add your salt. If you wan add protein at this juncture, it's optional, you can add it. If you don't want to add it, probably you are pairing it with stew, you fit just leave am like this. Then you go pour in your palm oil inside, stir as I dey stir am. So when you don stir finish, you go leave am to cook for some minutes, make e boil. When e don boil finish, you stir again. As e take be like this, so the Gbegiri don done. This is one of the easiest soup to prepare. You fit use this Gbegiri chop your swallow. You fit pair am with ewedu and stew, or you fit decide to eat am ordinarily like that. Gbegiri don done. For more cooking tutorials like this, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.